Hello guys, so today we are outside and I just wanted to talk about something that I think can help someone outside there. JavaScript and HTML. HTML is easier compared to JavaScript. But for my case, I spent 4 years learning HTML and only 3 weeks learning JavaScript. There's a reason to why that happened. I used to measure on being perfect than making progress. So I remember when I was starting, I picked a PDF which was close to 1,000 pages for HTML. And every time I would go through the PDF from the cover page, page 1, and after doing 20 pages, I take a break, like 2 months. I come back again and I've forgotten everything that I had learned before. And since I want to be perfect, I start over again from page 1 to page 20. And so the cycle continued. Every time I go to other pages like 1 to 30, I take a break, like 1 month break. When I return, I want to start afresh again. This went on and on for 4 years until I got a mentor who held my hand. Yeah, until a point that now I got a mentor. The mentor showed me what to do and how to approach learning. So what we did, the mentor told me that I wanted to learn JavaScript. And then he went ahead to even gift me a course on Udemy to learn JavaScript. The course was titled 100 Days of Web Development. So according to me, I wanted to take each day, follow the exact curriculum that is in the website of Udemy. But after 3 weeks, he calls me and asks me, "Hi, how far with your progress?" And I'm like, I'm in my 21st day. And he goes ahead to tell me that's enough of JavaScript that you already know. What you need to do, start working on projects. Okay, so I started learning, following the Udemy course, after building projects. So if I build a project, any point where I got a blocker or I don't understand anything, that is the point that now I go back to the Udemy course to go and find out what I needed to know in order to implement what I'm working on. So I realized that it only took me 3 weeks to be able to start building projects compared to the 4 years that I spent or wasted learning HTML. So if you're someone who's getting started with web development or just learning a new language, I would advise you to start with the fundamentals, have the fundamentals right, and then after which you can get into projects, start building. Every time you get a blocker or an error, that is the point that you go back to the course that you have, go and confirm or learn that concept. After you learn that concept, let's say it's a module, you get back to the project and apply it. And if one who wants the course and you can't afford any course, there's a crack that you can use. You can team up with your fellow students who are up to building projects with you. Let's say a team of 3. Go to Udemy, look for a course, especially with discounts. A course goes for like $12. Team up a group of 3. Split the course, that is $3 or $4 per person. Buy the course and then share the logins to each and everyone in the team member and start learning. So give yourself time to learn, like 3 weeks only to learn the core fundamentals, to get them right, and then start building on projects. When you build a project, you will get different blockers. Every time you get a blocker, go back to the course itself, pick up the specific topic or concept that you need to learn, grab it well, and then come back to your project and apply it. With that, you will be using the project-based learning to speed up your progress of learning, and you will realize that you spend like 3/4 of the time that you have spent just competing to complete a course. That was from me today, Sego Codes, and I hope this advice helps someone outside there. Thank you guys, Sego Codes signing out.
I wish I heard of this before I started my coding career. So, if for you not to be left out, HBO, have you ever heard of HBO? Help a brother out. Go on to YouTube, check Osego Codes, like, share, comment, and subscribe to that channel. Till then, adios.